everybody, my name is Rebecca-Louise and welcome to today's workout. We are going to dance through those calories today. Yes, we have got a ballet burn workout. You can get the full workout when you purchase my book, It Takes Grit. So if you're ready, let's get going. Okay, so first exercise that we're going to do, we've got our time on the clock. We're going to do 30 seconds of exercise and we're going to add on additional exercises. So first one is we're going to do a wide plie squat. So we're going to come down here and then tuck those hips underneath. So bringing those arms out in front and squeezing. So everything is tucked underneath. I'm not sticking my booty back. I am tucking underneath. I'm sitting like straight down. So think of your back and your booty in line and you're just gonna come all the way down. Push those knees out to the side and get nice and wide. That's it. Bring it all the way down and squeeze, lift all the way up to the top. Come down a little bit lower, push those knees out to the side, push down into those heels and lift all the way up to the top. Let's take it one more time. Breathe. And release. Okay, you're gonna come back down to the center. And all we're gonna do here is we are gonna take it into 3 little side leg lifts. 2, 3, over with a plie in the middle, and then up, over, 2, 3. Okay, let's take it away. Now, if you want to get results, all you have to do is keep on going with these workouts. It literally is that simple. I've made it so easy for you that what you got to do is you turn on the video, you press play, and boom, you follow along. And in time and consistency, when you keep on doing these workouts, you're going to get results. I absolutely promise you. Your body will change. Your mindset's going to change. Lift up, and 1, 2, and 3, just like that. And these workouts can be for absolutely anybody. If you want to make them more challenging, we can add on weights. So we're going to bring in some little 2 pounds here. We're going to take it into a wide plie squat. And at this time, let's add your weights in. Push those knees out to the side and let's go for it. So you can still hold your arms in that first position. Bring it out and then squeeze. So we're working that upper body too. Really release those shoulders away from those ears. Push out through those knees. As you get up, standing up, you're still pushing those knees out to the side. That's it. Looking good, everybody. Down we go. And squeeze. And this really is, if you are not willing to do the work right now, you are not going to get results. So how much do you want to get results? You just have to decide to keep on showing up. And release. You can put those weights down onto the ground. You can hold onto them. And we're going to take it into our 3 little leg lifts. 2, 3. A nice heavy plie in the middle. And then taking it over to the other side for 3, 2, 1. Let's take it away. So push those knees out to the side. Lift all the way up. Opposite arm. And 1, 2, 3. Looking super good. Now if you want to make this more challenging, you just don't put that foot down at the bottom. So you're going to go 1, 2, and 3. So really squeezing those glutes. You can hold those weights in your hands too. It's going to make it even more challenging. So maybe let's try that next time. Adding it on. Here we go. Squeeze down. Give me one more. Lift up nice and high for 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we're going to come into first position. Holding that plie here, we're going to take it nice and low. We're going to come all the way down to the ground. And then we're going to push into those heels and send our hips all the way back up. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. So push those knees out to the side, bring those arms out in front, lift up those heels. Now push down and all the way back. Now you don't have to come that far down. You can come down as low as you'd like to and then squeeze those glutes. And then every single time that you try this, you're just gonna get a little bit easier because you are working your body, you are changing, you are getting stronger. So push down, bring those heels up nice and high and push all the way down. You got this. Give me one more. All the way down to the bottom. Lift those heels up a little bit higher and push all the way down. Nice work. Let's take it back into those plie squats. So grab hold of those weights if you want to. Remember, those knees out to the side. Tuck those hips underneath. We're not putting our booty back. We are going straight down. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So extend out here and then tuck those hips underneath. That's it. Inhale through your nose and exhale all the way out. You can do this. Push those knees out. Now lift those toes up, push down into the heels. Make sure all of that weight is in the right place. Come down, hold for a split second, and then squeeze all the way up to the top. You can do this. Keep pushing forward. Just know that with every single rep that you do, you are getting those results that you want. So if you are not willing to do the work, you can't expect to get those results. But guess what? With these workouts, you will get the results. Release those weights down to the ground, and we're going to take it over onto our little pulses. So let's lift that right arm up nice and high. Let's extend that leg and breathe for 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, squeeze those glutes, take a nice plie in the center, and then up to the other side. So it's nice to be nice and controlled. It doesn't have to be fast, but everything is about control. Push those knees out, lift that chest up, extend that arm nice and long, pull through your spine, lift up, give yourself a smile. You're doing so great. 10 seconds left to go here. Let's go for 3, 2, 1. Over onto the last side, lift up nice and high for 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're gonna come back to your center plie here. We're gonna take it very slowly all the way down, and then very slowly all the way up. Now let's try adding in some weights. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So we can make these workouts easier, we can make them harder, and depending on how your body is that day, and depending how much you want to push yourself. But I always say push yourself just a little bit more than you did before, because that's how you're going to progress. If you feel like you're hitting a plateau, it's because you have not dialed in your nutrition plan enough. It means that you have not increased your weight. It means you've not got the right workouts. You're not doing enough. So let's take it one more time. Then let's lift those heels up a bit higher. For 3, 2, 1, push down and release. Okay, we're gonna hold those weights into our hand. We're gonna take a nice little plie and then we're gonna extend back, okay? So pushing those knees out to the side again, tucking those hips underneath and then out to the back. 3, 2, 1, here we go. And you can always use ankle weights here. You can add your weights right down to the ground. This actually may help a little bit with your balance. So push those knees out to the side, keeping that chest lifted and squeeze nice and tight. You can do this. This is what you were made to do today. You don't need to go anywhere. You do not need to quit. You just need to keep on pushing forward. Now, if this exercise is too easy for you, boom, you just have to increase heavier weights. This exercise is incredibly hard with 50 pounds in each hand. 3, 2, 1, last one, and squeeze. Okay, we're gonna take it back to the center into that wide plie squat. So this time, let's maybe add on a little pulse. So tuck those hips underneath for me, release those shoulders away from the ears, give yourself a smile in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So take it to your lowest, all the way down, and then lift all the way up to the top. I want you to come as low as you can. Push those knees out to the side, and then squeeze all the way up to the top. Nice work, everybody. You're looking super strong. You're flying through this. You're dancing through this. Those calories are burning off every single rep that you do. Lift all the way up. Let's take it down. Breathe. Get a little bit lower for me. Still tucking those hips underneath. Super important. We're doing a plie squat and lift all the way up. Okay, let's try and hold on to those weights this time. So we're going to take it up here. You can bring your weights straight up in front of you, and we can take it at 1, 2, 3. Take that plie in the middle, extend out the other side, and 3, 2, 1. Let's go for it. Nice and low here. Extend those arms nice and high. Feel that burn on those shoulders working, staying nice and strong. Keep that chest lifted. Extend those arms and breathe. 2, 3, all the way down. You got this. Looking so good, everybody. Let's keep this rhythm going. Just keep the flow. Breathe through it and extend those arms. Let's take it for 3, 2, 1, and release down. Okay, hold on to those weights. We're going to take it into those slow plies. So maybe this time we're going to hold those weights right here, working in that upper body and those shoulders. So we're going to come all the way down here, give a little pulse at the bottom, and come all the way up to the top. Let's test it. See if you can get a little bit lower than you did before. Come down, little pulse, push through those heels, and then squeeze those glutes as you get to the top, tucking those hips underneath. Super important to get that full range of motion. So you come all the way up to standing, and then come all the way back down. That's it. Push those heels into the ground, squeeze those glutes underneath, and breathe through it. Yes, come on. Keep it going. Push down into those heels, tuck those hips underneath. Give me one more, all the way down, and release. Okay, we're going to take it into those alternating back lifts. Now this time, increase those weights. If it wasn't heavy enough before, we're going to take it out to the back, little pulse, little plie, and extend forward. Or what you can do, you can take that plie, you can extend those arms forward too. So many variations that we can do to mix it up. So even if we're doing a stacked workout, we can still vary those exercises. That's it. Keep that chest lifted, come down, and then as you extend that leg out, bring those arms forward. Give yourself a nice little pulse. Here we go. Push those knees out to the side. Keep that chest lifted. Extend that leg nice and long. Use those glute muscles. So important that you are activating every single one of your muscles. Give me one more. and release. Okay, put those weights down to the ground. We're gonna do some really gentle plie jumps. So all we're gonna do is come, having our feet into first position. You're gonna come up onto your toe and then bring those heels to meet down onto the ground. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So just small little jumps right here. If you don't want to jump today, you're just going to do little plies right here, up and down. Apparently Penny likes this move. So that's it. So just push down through those feet, lift up and breathe. And maybe if you just want to check out one at a time, bring that foot up, no problem. Hold a little pulse and then just give me a couple. That's it. Let's jump up nice and high. We got this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And squeeze those glutes all the way as you get to the top. Boom! Well, you have conquered the first part of the workout. Remember, as always, the rest of it is exclusive to those people who've got the book. It takes grit. Here's the next workout if you want to continue the series, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Come to join us too. Come here, Penny. Good girl. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to lift up through the chest. We're going to stretch out. So just release everything, all that tension away from those shoulders.